Hello friends, in this class I'll be teaching you how to crimp a vamp of Chelsea boots. The vamp of a Chelsea boots with leather. It's always easier to crimp with suede leathers, but I'll be using leather lining to crimp the Chelsea boot vamp. Please watch to the end. Make sure you watch to the end. If you have any question, drop it on the comment box. I will always be there to answer all your questions. So let's get right into the class. But first of all, this is the pattern that you're going to use to bring out the leather before crimping. So the first thing you do after placing this on your leather, marking it and cutting it out, you have to put it in a water. Soak that leather for some hours. You can soak, like I prefer soaking my own overnight, so that the water can get into the leather properly. It will be easier for me to crimp on the crimping board. This is the crimping board. This is my crimping board. So this is like what we want to achieve at the end of this class. So now, I will not be saying anything. I'm going to play music in the background. Yes. And you can continue it. Let me turn to that.
See what they're doing for everything.
I don't want to use anything.
Just
see that in my video. No matter how, you don't know that. No matter the air, there's nothing like natural. I'll do a video for you. Social proof. I'll give you like pattern of slippers to draft and the last, and I'll not video your face. I don't need to video your face. I can't even video your face. What is it? It is called social proof. Brought your board, have you? Cardboard. To put the pattern on it. Eh?
no, only small cardboard.
That's it. Now to bring it out from the mass. No, that is fast, fast. Thank you for watching. This is our final project. Hope you stayed to the end. You watched the video. A very simple way of crimping Chelsea boot vamp. You can try it at home. It's very easy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share our video. It helps in YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next class. Bye for now.